All right, I wanted to show you quickly why I love MetaMask, why I use it, and why I recommend if you're new to crypto, you should really start with a MetaMask wallet. It's the easiest thing, anyone can open it, and it really opens a gate to a whole new world, right? So I'm going to show you in this video why. And please remember, imagine cafe night, Sam, and this is exactly what happens when you open a MetaMask wallet, right? It's super easy, takes 2 minutes, and after I show you why, I will also show you how. Let's
This
go.
is Sam. Sam uses the internet just like the rest of us. Lots of apps she uses seem to be free, but they actually come at a cost.
Yeah, they really do.
She knows the internet isn't very secure and strangers own her data. Credit cards are stolen,
This
identities
happens
get
to
hacked.
all of us.
She has to navigate a maze of ads just to surf the web, and she knows someone is always watching.
Always watching.
But she's heard there's a better way. And then Sam sees it. The promise of a new internet powered by the
Cafena found it.
blockchain. An amazing combination of
all I
technologies the
needed.
world is building together that are reinventing how we connect to one another. And it's just within her reach.
Oh.
But to access this new world, she needs the right tools. Meet Metamask, your connection to the new web. Metamask is the tool Sam needs to access
And that's
this
all
new
Cafena
world.
needed. I'm
It's a
not
key
even
that
joking.
connects her to new types of applications.
Now Cafena
It's
is
a
free.
wallet that keeps her data and valuables safe and sound. And it's a shield that protects her from hackers and data collectors.
Got my own shield.
With MetaMask, Sam is ready to explore this new internet safely and securely. The possibilities are endless. Sam
Endless,
can use
no joke.
next-generation applications that give control back to the users and the community. Own
To the
data
community.
and
You
move
hear that,
seamlessly
community?
between sites and send money across the world at a fraction of the cost.
Can send money to
Create
whoever
new
I want.
organizations with new currencies that bind
Wherever I
communities
want.
together. Crowdsource projects and art, or invest in other people's.
I can invest in whoever I
Sound
want.
too good to be true? Well, with great freedom comes great responsibility.
Yep.
Sam controls her own identity on this new internet.
No more new passwords for every site.
Please remember, this is the important part. No one new password. We have one job. Hold your secret phrase. Don't lose that, please. Hold it safe.
She visits.
Just a secret phrase that controls
That's
her
it,
accounts.
one.
This phrase is her login, her password, and her proof of ownership, all wrapped up in one.
So Sam has to keep it as safe as she possibly can.
Now that she's installed MetaMask, Sam's ready to explore the best version of the internet. Vote, crowdfund, buy stuff, publish writing, make art,
And
hire
this is what I'm
freelancers.
talking about.
What will
A
Sam
free
do
world.
first? Whatever she wants.
Whatever
The internet
Cafena
is
wants.
hers to explore. Welcome to a new kind of internet. Welcome to MetaMask.
And that's it. Welcome to Metamask. All right, I showed you quickly why you should use Metamask, and I'm going to show you how to open a Metamask wallet, right? This is super easy. And please, all you need is a pen and a paper, so you write some words down, and this browser, right? So go on metamask.io/downloads. Obviously, I'm going to put the link in the description, so you can just click on it and go there. It's going to take you to this page, right? You can install it on your browser, Chrome in my case, iOS or Android. Yeah, just install MetaMask for Chrome. Click on here. Boom. And then it's going to take you to the same video that I just showed you, right? So you can open it again and then go here, add Chrome, right? This is going to add Chrome. This is going to go add MetaMask onto your Chrome extension, right? So add extension, I recommend you to do that since you're going to be using MetaMask, right? So just install the extension. It's going to download there. Once it's done, just click on it and open it. And boom, it's gonna take you here. Yeah, let's get started. So just click I agree, MetaMask. You can read all this. I'm not gonna. And create new wallet, or you can import, but we're creating a new wallet. Yeah, read all this and then just press I agree. And then they're gonna ask you to make a password. This password is gonna open your MetaMask wallet only on this device. So this is for this device, right? So make a password. And obviously remember it. Write it down somewhere, and this is your password for this device, right? Okay, so now you're gonna secure your wallet. So before you start this, you can watch this video. It's right here. It's only 1 minute and 30 seconds. If you're new to crypto and to wallets, I highly recommend you to watch it, right? But you can just skip it and press here, secure my wallet. Again, please read all this. This is very important. If you're new to crypto, you need to understand what a secret recovery phrase is. It's 12 words in this case, and you need to remember. Yeah, remember your 12 words. Yeah, don't lose it. Store it somewhere safe. how to save it. They even tell you save it in a password manager, store it in a safe deposit box, or write it down multiple. I recommend you to do all this, right? And make sure you write it in multiple places, because if you lose it and you have it in one place only and something happens, it's lost forever. So yeah, store it in multiple places and make sure it's safeguarded. Right, and obviously don't share your secret recovery phrase with anybody, not even with MetaMask, right? Nobody. It even says here very clear. So secure my wallet, and boom, now it's gonna give you your secret recovery phrase, yeah, which is a 12-word secret recovery phrase. Write it down, yeah, so reveal it, yeah. Make sure you write this down, yeah, because they're gonna ask you to use it, and if you lose these words, you can't access your wallet anymore. So very important, write it down. And then you go next, and then they're gonna ask you to refill it there, yeah. And the last word is tragic. Boom, and there you go. If you got it correctly, which you should because you wrote it down, just confirm. And that's it. Wallet creation successful. You got your wallet. So just make sure you keep that, right? And read again this and never share your secret recovery phrase with anybody, right? So your MetaMask install is complete. Click next. There you go. Click next. And now they're gonna introduce you to other stuff, so you can start exploring now. And boom, there you go. This is my ETH address. Obviously, I just created this. I have 0. You can see 0. You can buy, sell, send. I'll explain all this, but this is how to open a MetaMask wallet. So congratulations, you have your first MetaMask wallet, and I'm gonna make multiple videos with what you can do now. But for now, this is why I use it, and this is how you open a MetaMask very easily. All right, see you guys later. Peace out.